Video is just basically a continuation of kind of recording the activity levels and making sure that we're keeping ourselves accountable. The last few videos, we've obviously been going through all the different types of ways we can generate our pipeline flow. And this is a tracker that is an absolute must. So in your success plan, we have the quick win tracker. So how many conversations have you opened this week? How many viewings have you booked? How many viewings have you attended? And how many properties have you acquired? They are the main KPIs that you need to focus on right now. Probably for the whole 12 weeks ahead of you, you need to focus on these, and you should be seeing them get to a very high level, and you'll get to a very high level of bookings, and the viewings attended will be high, but the properties acquired will go up because you'll get better at research and you'll get better at negotiating, you'll get more confident, and you'll obviously have more and more properties on board. So really important that you track this. This whole document is to be used at all times with all the other breakout documents, and it all comes together to make sure that you have a successful start and that you get off to a quick start. But by keeping yourself accountable to the numbers, and if you're putting ones and twos, or in fact, if you're putting single figures into this column here, you're not doing enough. You know, if you're not opening probably 3 figures in terms of conversations per week, you know, you've got to be opening like hundreds of conversations really each week. You're not doing enough. So hold yourself accountable, track your results, and make sure that you make a difference by doing the activity that's required.